In this video, you'll learn how to embed a YouTube video in WordPress. By the end of this tutorial, you will have successfully added a YouTube video to your site, enhancing your content. Begin by navigating to WordPress.com. Open your preferred web browser and enter the address for WordPress.com. Once the page loads, look for the option labeled Sites in the main menu. Click on Sites to proceed to the next screen. After this, you will see a list of sites associated with the account. Identify and select the site where you want to embed the video. This action will take you to the dashboard of that specific site, where various editing options will be available. Next, locate the button labeled Close on the dashboard. Clicking this will bring you to the site editor interface. It is essential to ensure you are in the correct editing mode before continuing. Once you are in the site editor, find the plus icon, usually located in the upper section of the editing toolbar. Click on this icon to open a menu of available blocks. This menu allows you to add different types of content to your page. After that, in the menu that appears, click on the option labeled Video. This selection will enable you to embed video content into your WordPress site. You will notice a new area on the screen where video options will be displayed. Next, choose the option to embed a URL. This is typically indicated by a specific button or link within the video block settings. Selecting this option will prompt you to enter a video URL from an external source. Now go to youtube.com in a new tab. Locate the video you wish to embed. Once you find the video, click on it to open the video page. Ensure that you select a video that is appropriate for your audience and aligns with your content goals. After selecting the video, copy the URL from the address bar at the top of your browser. This step is crucial as the copied URL will be used to embed the video into your WordPress site. Return to your WordPress editor and paste the copied URL into the designated area for the video embed. This action will integrate the video into your page, allowing it to be viewed directly from your site. Once you have pasted the URL, click on the button labeled Open to finalize the embedding process. This will confirm your action and display the video within your content area. You've now successfully embedded a video from YouTube into your WordPress site. It is recommended to preview your changes to ensure the video displays correctly before publishing. Additionally, consider checking your internet connection and storage space if you encounter any issues. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.